Hi, welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Hope everybody's doing well and doing good. So a company reached out to me that does MagSafe wallets. So I have reviewed quite a few MagSafe wallets on this channel. But they reached out to me. So I'm not being sponsored or paid or anything like that. They did reach out to me by looking at my channel, and this is their offering of a MagSafe wallet. The company, so this is the packaging it comes in. I'm amazed at how good this packaging is, you know, for a MagSafe wallet. Okay, so it's really good packaged here. So the name of the company is called PunCube. So, you know, we're going to have a look at this MagSafe wallet and see what it's like and what it's made of. But I am really impressed with the packaging that it came in with, this like aluminium like casing, and inside is the actual wallet. If you like all my videos that I'm producing on my channel, I do want to get to 1,000 subscribers soon. So that's my goal. I know it's not a lot of subscribers, but to me it is a really significant goal because I am into all my tech and gadgets and everything like that. You know, I'm quite passionate about tech and reviewing tech on my channel. So if you could subscribe to my channel, that'd be much appreciated. So let's just get straight into the video and have a look at this MagSafe wallet. So here is the Mech wallet, model 8807, and this is designed by PunCube. So this is it in this really good like aluminium packaging that they sent over to me. So we're going to have a look at that in a minute. I do think the packaging is really good on this, really good quality. So as you can see, Mech wallet model design 8807. Also that came in the packaging was this warranty here. So yeah, so it's like a warranty card. So if you have any trouble with the product, you contact them. It's got some spare screws on here as well. I'll have a look at that in a minute as well. So as you can see, service at PunCube.com. Okay, so let's just have a look then. So like I said, let's just get it open. So I was impressed with the quality of this MagSafe wallet. So it's like a plastic aluminium, so that's the cover for it, and this is the wallet inside. It says here, don't push from top, card compression creates friction, making sliding hard. So that's the outline then of the MagSafe wallet. So that's what it should look like when I get it out of here. And then in situations where your palms are sweaty or the mechanism gets stuck, you can try pushing from the side to open it. Again, if you are having trouble with this MagSafe wallet, contact service at PunCube.com. So let's just get it out of this amazing packaging. Okay, so on the back here you've got a money clip installation. Yeah, so you have a look at it here. Nano gel is reusable to keep it clean for best results when you need to remove it. So it just tells you how to put the cards in. It can hold up to 6 flat cards. Okay, so that's what it can hold. Then you've got like a clip there on the back, so we'll have a look at that as well. So here is the actual clip. God, this packaging is really premium. I like the way they've packaged it. Yeah, just look at that. That's, you know, from this company here. Never heard of them before, and like I said, they did reach out to me to review this product that they make. I just think it's really good quality. So you've got this clip that will go on the back. So it says reusable and easy to remove and reposition. You need to wash and dry to restore stickiness. So that's if you want to clip it on. So that's good that they provide that as well. And as you can see, it's got their logo there on their Mech wallet. Really good quality. There's nothing else in the packaging, just some foam protection, really good quality, really impressed. So you got the PunCube logo on there. So I have reviewed a few wallets on my channel. I like the way it looks, so you just push that there out and I'll show you what it looks like when I've got some cards in it. Yeah, I do like it. I like that noise, very satisfying. Yeah, I do really like this actually. So it says on here it's an aluminium alloy. So there you go. So aluminium alloy. Yeah, so it feels really nice. Cold to the touch. So let's just have a look and get some cards in there and just see how it works. So I'm just going to get some cards and show you how the cards slot in. Okay, put about 4 cards. Obviously you just push that like that, so the card should pop out. Oh, I do like that noise. I like that mechanism there. And then I've just put 4 cards in there. They go in very nice and secure. So if you want to get your cards out and just push that back down. Yeah, very secure. I really do like it, and I like the aluminium body on this as well. So if you want to access the card, it's just a simple push. I would say you can get 4 in there. So yeah, really, I'm sort of impressed with it. Really good quality. So this is by PunCube. So what was in that envelope there? So I've opened the envelope. So you got some spare screws here. So you're wondering how you get it connected to the back of your phone. So what they've supplied is this. This is the MagSafe connector plate. So this is a plate that will connect to the back of the phone for the MagSafe. So how it works is there's 2 screws there. So there's 1 screw hole there and 1 screw hole there. And then you put that on the back there and then screw that on like that. And then that will connect to the back of the phone. So I'll show you how that works. And I'll show you connected on the back of my phone. Okay, so I've just screwed that back plate on. So these are the screws that it came in. You did get 4 little screws in this bag here. They are really small. I had to get a special tool to get them screwed on, but you do get 4. So there's 2 that screw into that back plate. This is it here. So as you can see, it's screwed on there now. So like I said, I showed you the 2 holes there. So they're the screws that you screw in there regarding the MagSafe plate. I think it's really good. It doesn't make the wallet that much thicker, so you can still do everything like that. I just love that noise. That mechanism is really good, and I like the way it pushes the cards out. So let me just show it connected with my phone. So I'm going to bring my phone over. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So now that I've got that on there, that just magnetizes on. Very solid. You know, it's not going to fall off. The magnet is really strong, because on some of these MagSafe wallets, the magnets are not that strong, but this is, yeah, really good, really strong on there, and it doesn't put too much bulk to the phone either. So yeah, I am impressed with it, and it does feel nice as well when you're holding it as well. You don't really notice it that much. But yeah, I'm impressed with this by PunCube, the Mech wallet. Really impressed with the aluminium body, really good quality. I like the black as well. I will leave a link below of where you can get this from and how much it costs. I think they have given me a code, but I will put it in the description below. And it's by a company called PunCube. And like I said, they did reach out to me to review this on my channel. So I will be using this because, you know, it is very light And like I said, you know, it does MagSafe onto the back of your phone, or you can also obviously stick this on as well if you want to put it on like a clip. So it does come with this as well. So you got, you know, a couple of options there. If you like the video, if you could like, subscribe and comment, because I do want to get to over 1,000 subscribers this year. I'm not far off now, so I thank all my subscribers for the support on this channel. If you could subscribe onto the channel and comment on this video, that'd be much appreciated. And I will see you all again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day.